Hey guys, it's me Gavin, and this will just be a quick tutorial on how to change the color of multiple objects with one script. I will be using Python, and I'm just going to get started. To start off, let's right click on this camera and hit X delete, and then right click on this light and hit X delete. If we right click on this cube in the middle, we can drag it in, click on this orange cube right here, and rename it to 1. Let's then hit Shift and D to copy it, drag it out, and let's rename this new cube to 2, like that. Let's then go from default to game logic and go from Blender render to Blender game, like so. And on our object that has the name 1, so right click on that object, let's add a game property. Let's change it from float to boolean. Let's name it as color change, like that. Alright, what we're now going to do is click on this eye right here and do game and then show debug properties. So if we hit play now, we can see in the top left corner it's going to say false. Let's add a keyboard sensor now. So add a keyboard sensor, and we're going to toggle this property. So add spacebar where it says key and click tap. Let's then add an actuator, and let's have this be property and change it from assign to toggle, like that. And let's put color change, like so. Let's add that right here. There we go. Alright, that's good. Next what we're going to do is add a sensor always. We're going to click these first 3 dots. Then we're going to add a controller in Python right here. So add a Python controller. Let's do templates Python, then game logic simple, because we're going to create a script now. Alright, drag this out and delete the portion that I have highlighted. So hit Control and scroll up on your mouse, and this should be the section that's left. I'm then going to rename this to script.py, so that's the new name of our script. And I'm going to add that right here. Alright, that's good. What we're now going to do though is, you know how if we hit play we can toggle that property true or false? We're going to base the color of these two objects on whether or not that property is true or false. So the first thing we need is we need to import the scene. So let's do scene is going to equal bg.logic.get current scene. I typically like to do this between the const line and the own line. That's just me though. And what we're going to do is have if our color change variable is false. So if own color change is equal to true. We'll start off with true. What we're going to do is actually, before we do this, let's actually get those two objects into our script. Let's have 1 is going to equal scene.objects 1. Then 2 is going to equal scene.objects 2, like that. So if our color change variable is true, we're going to have 1.color is going to equal 1, 0, 0, true. And then 2.color is going to be equal to 1, 0, 0, true. And this is just going to make our cube red. If we have an else statement now, we're going to have own.color is going to equal 0, 1, 0, true, and then 2.color is going to make this 0, 1, 0, true. And this is going to make the object green. And if we hit play now, we see they both start off as green, and if I tap it, they'll turn to red, and back to green, then back to red. Alright guys, that's all I have for now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. But for the time being, thanks for watching and have a good day. I'm going to show you guys my script just for one more second, like that.